Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that completely changed the game for me when it comes to making money online. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the complicated methods out there, building websites, learning SEO, running ads, I totally get it. I've been there. But I recently came across a tool called Commission King. And it's honestly one of the simplest and fastest ways I've seen to start generating passive income with affiliate marketing. What makes it different? This app uses AI to auto-promote any affiliate link in literally 60 seconds. That means no writing blog posts, no creating videos, no social media accounts, nothing technical at all. You just plug in your link, let the software do the work, and watch it bring in traffic and commissions. On average, users are seeing results of up to $482 per day, and it doesn't require any prior experience. There's no monthly fee right now because it's in a special launch period, and they're even offering a 365-day money-back guarantee. So you're not locked in or taking any big risk. Plus, they've included a bonus bundle that adds even more value, and honestly, it's one of the best deals I've seen in the affiliate marketing space lately. If you've been looking for a way to get started online without the overwhelm or tech headaches, this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. If you want to learn more about Commission King, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.